Hi and welcome. Let's do a simple beginner meditation together. First, take a moment to find a quiet, comfortable place. You can sit or lie down on the chair, the ground, yoga mat, or in bed. There's no perfect way to do this, just whatever feels supportive for your body right now. If you're sitting, you might rest your feet on the floor or cross your legs. Let your hands relax in your lap or by your sides. When you're ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale, filling up, and then exhale, letting your body soften a little more. With each exhale, allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to unclench, and your belly to loosen. Let go of any tension or stress you notice you've been holding, just a little bit at a time. Now let your breath return to its own rhythm. You don't have to change or control it. Simply notice the sensation of breathing. Maybe you feel the air moving in and out of your nose, or the rise and fall of your chest. Let your attention rest there, on the gentle movement of your breath. As thoughts and distractions arise, and they will, see if you can just notice them without judgment. You might imagine each thought as a cloud passing through the sky. You don't need to chase it or push it away. Simply notice it, and then gently return your attention to the feeling of your breath. If your mind wanders again, that's okay. Each time you notice and come back, you are practicing meditation perfectly. For the next few moments, stay with this simple awareness of breathing. In and out, rise and fall. Now, if you'd like, you can gently expand your awareness to your body. Bring your attention down to your toes. Notice any tingling, warmth, coolness, or maybe nothing at all. All of it is okay. Slowly move your awareness up through your feet, your ankles, your calves and knees, your thighs, your hips and lower back. Notice any sensations you find. Areas that need to be relaxed, or places that feel tight or tired. There's nothing you need to fix. You're just observing. Let your attention move up to your belly and onto your chest, your shoulders, down your arms to your hands and fingers. Then back up through your neck, your face, the top of your head. If you like, you can bring in a gentle phrase or mantra. Something simple like, I am here now. Silently repeat it to yourself in the rhythm of your breath. When you inhale, I am. Exhale, here now. You're welcome to continue the meditation beyond this video if you'd like, for another minute, 5 minutes, 10 or more. But for now, we'll begin to close. Bring your attention back to the feeling of your breath in this present moment. Notice the air moving in and out. Notice your body resting and being supported. Take a moment to acknowledge the stillness and space you gave yourself. You chose to pause. You chose to be here. When you're ready, slowly deepen your breath. Gently wiggle your toes and fingers. Maybe roll your shoulders and stretch in any way that feels good. When it feels right for you, softly open your eyes and return to the room. Before you move on with your day, take a quick check-in with yourself. How does your body feel right now? What emotions are present? Does your mind feel a little slower, more relaxed, or maybe just the same? Whatever you notice is perfectly okay. All this information is good information. What matters most is that you showed up and practiced. Remember, meditation is a practice. It's completely normal for your mind to wander. It might wander every single time you meditate, but be patient and gentle with yourself as you build your own meditation routine. With consistent practice, you may notice benefits like more focus, steadier energy, greater calm, and a little more space to respond to your emotions instead of being swept away by them. If you've enjoyed this meditation and want more, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. It really does help. Check out my other videos, or just replay this one. Thank you so much for taking this time to yourself today. I appreciate you being here with me, and I with you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.